Nothing beats the feeling, and I can attest to this, of a freshly cleaned space.
I love that.
And with spring just around the corner, it is time to pull out those cleaning supplies. Get your home sparkling from top to bottom, okay?
I have news for you, though. Why
What?
should parents have all the fun with cleaning? Who said cleaning is fun, Kathy Chlan? If you're looking for simple and fun ways to get the kids involved, look no further.
Lifestyle and parenting expert Kathy Chlan, there she is. She back with tips to help us
Hello.
do the thing.
Help us do the thing. Hello, my
Do
darling.
the thing. Hello, girls. I love
to
the
see
girl
you.
tribe.
Thank you. You've brought props.
You brought your dirty laundry for me. Thank you.
I did.
Okay, you know I have 2 boys.
Yes, me too. They're men now, but
Well,
they're
mine are
filthy.
They're always going to be
stink.
filthy.
They stink. How do we get them motivated to
Okay.
help us clean?
This is great Jenga, but we're putting a spin on it. It's cleaning Jenga.
Oh my God.
What you could do is you could write the cleaning tasks with the gel pen as they pull it out. It's on there, or you can print a list out from the internet, age appropriate, that it tells you what to do.
If you're 3 years old,
Yep.
pick up toys and books.
Yep.
Dust.
If you're 9 to 12, get mommy wine. Make sure it's strong. Okay.
And red.
Marisol, girl after my own heart.
Make sure
Love
it's
ya.
shaken, not stirred, Liam.
Yes. So you guys get started.
I love
with
the
doing
Jenga.
Jenga.
Love a little interactive thing.
Little interaction.
What about a playlist to set the mood? I love
love?
throwing on some Broadway bangers.
No,
and
Uptown
doing the
Funk.
thing. Uptown Funk? That's
Bruno
you?
Mars. Yep.
Uptown-
Uptown
I
Funk.
Because I
love
like to, when
him.
I'm vacuuming, I like to belt it out.
You don't pound it
Dun,
up.
dun, dun.
Like, do the wave when you're
What
dancing.
is happening right now? I like Donna Summer.
Oh.
Huh?
She works hard for the money.
I do work.
So hard for it, honey.
I want to fantasize about Bruno.
Okay.
He's a
We'll let
good-looking
you have
man.
it.
Have my
And you're,
moments.
yeah, okay.
And I'm wiping, you know.
But important
Thank
to
you,
have
fingers to the moon.
music. Music aids
Very
everything
important,
better.
Yes.
Okay.
Makes it go faster, and the kids love listening to the
Yeah.
music. You know.
Sure, they'll be doing their dances from the
Yep.
TikToks.
So you do the Jenga, you pull a piece, you get the playlist going,
Mm-hmm.
and then what happens?
You have 10 seconds, the kids, to accomplish the task. Very easy. Make the bed in 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
cute.
Clean a pot in 10 seconds. Fold towels in 10 seconds. It's like a competition game. Kids love competing. Come
Yeah,
on.
it's very true.
What is this precious
We're-
little
we're
man?
And this is a little handheld. Put it on your hand,
Let's bring back some order to this.
Yes.
Pull a Jenga.
Kid-friendly cleaning supplies. Because some of
Yes.
these cleaning supplies, I would
Yes.
not trust a
No.
3-year-old with Clorox spray.
No.
Water and vinegar.
Yeah.
Equal parts. Or a spray with no ammonia is okay as long as they're wiping it with this.
There you are. Look at
There
her
I
go.
am.
Speaking of this, what is this chihuahua? I love it.
So cute,
A
right?
porcupine,
Yeah.
a little hedgehog.
Yep, kids love visuals.
That's
They'll
true.
clean. They love visuals. If something's going to make them happy, they're going to do it.
Right, this is true. Listen, I'll even clean some more if I have.
Okay.
And you
have
have little
this.
hands, it fits.
Very cute.
So you give a little spritz, rub,
Yeah.
rub.
Yep.
Okay.
Rub.
Okay, what do you suggest to use? Laundry basket?
I have put a basketball on the back of my son's door. The laundry stays off the floor.
gosh,
That
this
is
genius.
incredible.
No smell, really. It's just contained in one area.
No smell.
Okay.
How
No
do you
smell.
figure that? Wow.
Because I'm spraying Febreze
There you
also.
go.
The net.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So this helps us declutter.
Declutter.
Okay.
Helps us
Turn
declutter.
it into a
Turn
game.
it into. And decluttering is great.
Yeah.
For the
Yeah.
kids.
That's half the battle.
That is,
Half the battle.
that is half the battle.
What else?
You go through their stuff.
Yep.
If they haven't worn or played with a toy in 6 months,
Mm-hmm.
you donate it. And I'm a big proponent, donate to women's shelter.
Yeah.
Call your local church, your synagogue. They know families that are in need and everything goes there. And the kids feel, you're teaching them
Yeah.
kindness and empathy. It's like you can't
You've
go
had a good
wrong.
time with this now. You've
Right.
You've
Yes.
outgrown it. Why don't you give it to someone else to
Right,
have a
6
good time
months.
with?
That's
there we
the
go.
time limit.
Yeah.
That's
I
when
love
you know
it.
it's got to go.
What else is happening here? Short mop? Do you have mops that are...
Look
Stop.
at how cute.
Oh, that's a
Good
Marisol
dog.
mop. That's
Hello.
Marisol. That fits for you.
took this
My
from
niece
my house.
has that.
Stop
Look at me. My son, yeah.
There
And
you
it
go.
works.
There you go.
Kids are doing it.
You get
Believe
it.
me.
Look at this.
But you gotta have the appropriate size.
Kids and we adults.
Kids and we adults.
How
you go.
cute, right?
That's
Look,
perfect.
Miniature, they're
Just
doing
when I
it.
thought it couldn't get cuter from this
I
bad boy.
missed this spot.
I
Thanks to
know.
Ruth.
Okay. Microwave cleaner?
Microwave cleaner. Check this out.
Hold on.
Little thing.
Who's
Looks
she?
Like a person.
She looks angry.
Angry. Vinegar, Marisol.
Yeah.
Water. Put it in the microwave. 7 minutes. Steam cleans the microwave, and they can stand and watch.
Okay.
And it looks like, you know,
Smoke's coming out of her
visual
head.
again.
Yeah.
Smoke.
There we go.
All right, so why do we have this pot in this shawala? I keep calling it a shawala.
Because you are going to pull a Jenga.
And it
You're
says-
going to pull a Jenga. And yours says...
It says empty trash.
I know,
I already
but
did that.
You did
Mine
that, so you're
says
cleaning
nothing.
the pot.
Mine says watch
You're
Marisol do all the
folding
chores.
the towels.
Folds.
Okay.
All right, what do I do here? I
I'm
clean this?
counting. Spray. No
Wait.
ammonia.
We're running
10
a 10
seconds.
I'm
second
gonna
clock.
count. Yep, 10 seconds.
Ready?
I'll
2,
count.
1.
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7,
I got one.
6,
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay, Mars!
I won.
Alex. These are chores the little kids could do.
Yes.
So
Adults
apparently
can't.
Alex
But
needs
children
a class.
can. Kathy Chlan, thank you for putting up with our
I
chaos.
know.
You at home, these are actually fantastic.
It was very fun.
Tips.
If you're not doing it with a cheater.
Get the children, involved. Hey, listen, I will train mine, and you can borrow them
Oh,
for your spring
Oh,
clean.
Liam and
Alex,
Gav, you're coming to Jersey City.
Yeah.
Okay, Kathy, thank you.